my season. I am always trying to lay everything out first so I can see what's going on, and this is one of my favorite boxes. There's a baby down here that I need to rescue, but I also have all these crazy baby doll heads that I got at antique malls last year, and they're like one of my new favorite crafts you can do with old Barbie dolls is make them look like zombie Barbie dolls. My kids and I had a great time one night painting them up. At first, I just put everything into sections. We have a lot of bones. The bones skeletal section is one of the largest because I love decorating with them. My house is dark, so all of these white bones show up really well.
I want a piece of you that I can keep forever. You are all mine and always will be. Don't worry, death won't be a problem.
She's crazy, isn't she? God love her. I like to have any collection of like cake plates for risers. I never bake or put cakes on anything, but I use these to create height. I have a lot of stuff that is like witch, and I love practical magic and hocus pocus and just the theater in the rooms with all of the bottles and the eyes of newt and pinch of bat, spider, whatever. I just think it's very magical and whimsical. And so on top of the cabinet that I have in there, I always create kind of my witch's apothecary. I love decorating for Halloween because you can be so creative and do things that are totally unexpected. So if you have this strange desire to create strange, awkward scenes, and it just makes people react. So there's a lot of joy, and they find it funny and very odd that somebody like me would have a house like this. But haunted houses are my thing. I've always loved scary stuff, and I just love turning. It's just it's just decorating, right? So it's just part of design for me. It's just a different platform. And if I had to give any advice, it would be just to buy the things that you like. Don't think, just feel your way through it, and then create whatever it is that interests you. This is something I've been thinking about doing for a long time, and the only reason why I haven't done it is because my dining room table collects junk, but maybe it won't collect junk if I have it set for Mr. and Mrs. Skeleton. Do you want to do the fireplace bones? Like, she is my twin when it comes to Halloween. Ever since she was little, she's liked decorating with me for Halloween, and I like to be scary, creepy, makeup dead things for Halloween, and so does she. So she lets me do like crazy makeup on her, and then last year she did her own makeup, and I was so proud of her. I was the queen of Halloween and she was some random ghoul, but it was a lot of fun. She's the one that actually started putting the bones in the fireplace, and it was her idea to put that hand coming out of it, which I thought was genius. That's when I knew. She was like 5. That's when I knew. She's totally my kid. She's gonna be Pennywise this year just to scare her brother and sister, and currently she's upstairs putting spiders in her older sister's bed. If you like whimsical haunted house Halloween, I would be happy to come over and help you do it. But if your Halloween is like plaid pumpkins, I'm out.